Good morning and welcome to CTC 101. Happy Monday. I am your professor, Professor Wright, and I am here to just kind of give you a quick tutorial on how to navigate the class so that you understand what's expected of you this term and maybe where to find some helpful things. So I thought I would just start off by showing you the opening page to the course. So when you log into Blackboard, and you click on my course, which is right here, CTC 101 CH, section 44, you will be able to see announcements, course information, meet your instructor. So we're going to go through some of these links to help you. The first link will be the announcements link. If you see right here, and you can click on announcements, it will take you to the page where all of our course announcements are. This is a video from our program chair about questions and how to find help. And this is our Unit 1 announcement that I posted this weekend with some helpful information about Unit 1 and what's expected. So you can read through that. I also put a link to a YouTube video here explaining how to post a journal entry for this week. So if you scroll back up under announcements, you can go to course information. Under course information, this has your learning outcomes here, the course materials that we'll be using. But here are two helpful links. One is a course introduction video that you can watch. Another is the syllabus. If you click on the syllabus, it will take you to a link that will show you basically what you're learning in the course, what your course materials are, and the grading breakdown of, discussion boards, journals, quizzes, so you can see what percentage, of your grade each assignment makes up. We're going to go back to the main screen. If you click on Meet Your Instructor here, you will get my bio information and when my office hours are, as well as my email and my phone number. So if you need to get in touch with me, you can text me at this number, 203-828-2425, or you can also email me and I will get back with you usually within the same day. Then there's a lot of links. I'm not going to go through each one. This is a very important link that's relatively new to CTC 101, and it's called questions. Click here on the left-hand side. So if you go to this and you click on it, it will give you down here drop-in sessions that are available, and it will tell you what sessions are available for Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So basically you can click on any one of these sessions and it will bring you to a collaborate or live session where you will be able to ask questions of another instructor. It may be myself. I think I'm staffed on Tuesdays from 9 to 10:30, or you can do Mondays or whatever time you have a question. You can basically click and be able to ask your question. It might not be me. It would be another professor who teaches another section of this course, but it's still incredibly helpful. And when I go on and I help students, it makes a huge difference in their ability to be able to navigate the class. So be sure to utilize that feature. Okay, and then down here you will have all of the different units in the course. This week we're in Unit 1, Week 1. So if you click here, you're going to find everything that you need to be able to get through Unit 1. And the first thing would be, it's a questionnaire, basically, a course survey. You'll see that kind of at the bottom. That would be helpful if you would complete. But then there are also, learning experiences and objectives and activities. And then there's also the Begin Here Introductions page. And you can click here. If you click here on Begin Here Introductions, it will take you to the discussion board for Unit 1. And you will see the icebreaker game that I have posted with some fun questions. But if you want to respond to the introduction questions, you go right here to create a thread. And when you do that, you'll be able to title your thread with a subject in the subject bar and then type your message here. When you're done with that, you go right here and click submit. So that's how you create a thread in the discussion board. Okay. Then underneath the introductions, there's a reading and practice activities. That is your link to your e-textbook and your practice activities. So if you click on it, it will take you to right here, eBooks, Keys to College Success Compact. If you click on that, that takes you to your textbook. You are to read lesson 1 this week. Then these are all your practice activities. Practice 1, the culture of college, you just scroll down and you have 3 practice activities you're supposed to complete this week. Please complete the practice activities. I am able to see which of you go in and complete them and which of you don't. So please go in and complete those each week and do your reading. It really does make a huge difference in your ability to understand the course material. Sorry, I went back to show you underneath reading and practice activities. Here's a link to the CRI, the Conley Readiness Index. And that is something you'll need to complete in Unit 1 because in your Unit 2 discussion board, you will be discussing your results. So you are given the option, and it notes it right here, to choose to share or not to share your results. Please choose to share your results with me so that I can review them and discuss them with you in your Unit 2 journal. And then here's a link to the Unit 1 journal, The Journey Ahead. If you click on that, it will take you to the journal, and here are the questions that are asked of you this week. And then you will go in and submit your response by going here, this little link, Create Journal Entry. Then you'll be able to type your response and submit it to me. So that's a brief rundown of where you can find everything in Unit 1. A few of the other links you might find helpful. Here is a link called My Grades. You can click here at any point to see what your graded work, what grades you've been given on your graded work. And usually I do grading. Your grades are due by Wednesday of each week. So for Unit 1, you'll get your grades by next Wednesday of Unit 2. Then My Student Success Lab, University Policies. This is a very important link called Grammarly and Academic Writer. If you click on that, it will give you instructions right here for the Grammarly Premium setup. I encourage all of you to click on the links for the sign-up process and sign up for Grammarly. It helps you edit your work in real time. And here is the access code, GoPost 2018. You will need to be using Google Chrome as your browser in order to get best results in the class. So if you have not downloaded Google Chrome, I would encourage you to also do that this week. Okay, going back, the other helpful resources would be TutorMe. If you click on TutorMe, you are able to, it launches you to the TutorMe site where you can connect with a live tutor to get help in your coursework, and you get those services offered to you for each class, so please use it. It is a very helpful resource. And then there's some different links that I may have that you might not because I'm an instructor. But I do encourage you to go on and check out the course. If you click when you've logged in on Post University Blackboard up here, it will take you to a list of your courses. In your course list somewhere should be a post orientation for the course. So please make sure that you click on that and that you have taken the orientation so you know how to navigate Blackboard. I'm going to click right here because this is our course, section 33. So I'm sorry, section 44 in term 3. Please go through and scroll through all the announcements because you're given some important information about grading feedback and different things that will be helpful for the course. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Please email me or call with any questions, and I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you this week. Make it a great Monday.